Alright, here's my help video for problem number 3. Problem number 3, in a shocking turn of events, they decided to build me a statue outside of CHS. That's awesome. The designer decided to make a smaller version first to test their skills. The dimensions of the life-size statue will be 5 times those of the smaller statue. That's really important information right there. So the dimensions of the life-size statue will be 5 times that of the smaller statue. Wow, that underlining is terrible. Planners expect the small statue to weigh about 9 pounds. If the small statue is made of the same material as the enlarged statue, then its weight will change as the volume changes. So how much will the life-size statue weigh? All right, this is a volume scale factor problem, which means that we have our original weight. Or kind of almost like our original volume, but our original weight, we're going to multiply that by the volume scale factor, and that's going to give us our new weight, because weight changes as volume changes, and so we're allowed to just multiply by our volume scale factor to figure out what our new weight's going to be. All right, but the first thing we have to do is, well, what is our volume scale factor? Well, the thing I underlined so poorly up here tells me what my linear scale factor is. My linear scale factor in this problem is 5, because the dimensions are 5 times bigger. From small statue to big statue, the dimensions are 5 times bigger, which means linear scale factor is 5, which means I can find my volume scale factor, and that would be 5 cubed, because your linear scale factor cubed gives you volume scale factor, and that gives you a volume scale factor of 5 times 5 times 5, which 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Okay? So now I can actually fill in my equation up here. I know my original weight. I now know my volume scale factor. I can figure out my new weight. And so my original weight was 9 pounds. We'll multiply that by my volume scale factor of 125, and we'll find my new weight, which, if I do the multiplication here, I get 9 times 125, which gives me 1,125 pounds is my new weight. And now I know that nobody's going to be stealing the statue of me outside of the high school.